How do fish breathe? The organs fish use to breathe. Possibly the only thing more complicated than a fish's anatomy is its physiology. Fish have evolved to react and adapt in every conceivable way, including how they breathe. Understanding their lungs can help you understand why some species are at risk of drowning when others aren't. The most common form of respiratory system among many fishes is an intricate maze through which water flows continuously, gills for oxygen exchange and mouth cavity for gulping fresh air or oxygen from bubbles on the surface. However, this isn't true across all types of fishes because there's also 6 freshwater lungfish found in parts Africa and Asia, that use both sets of organs as well. Fish are amazing creatures that have adapted to underwater life in many ways. Fish use their labyrinth organs for breathing while they swim near the surface of water, and even some species can breathe by pumping air from its mouth when it is on land or at a very low level of oxygen concentration in water. One example would be Siamese fighting fish, which will gulp atmospheric oxygen from the water's surface. This makes drowning an unlikely cause if your pet doesn't return after a few seconds, as they'll still have enough time to take another gulp before succumbing to lack of gas exchange down below. Most fish rely on set of modified lungs known as gills, but there's also those lucky ones. How fish breathe. Fish have an extremely efficient respiratory system. The fish gills are highly effective organs that can extract oxygen from the water to keep their bodies functioning properly, despite living in a fluid environment. To breathe, they force water through these delicate tissues and then filter out any dissolved gas molecules for inhalation using specialized cells called lamella on the surface of each cell within them, designed specifically for this function. Fish can extract oxygen from the water through a process called countercurrent exchange, but this is only possible because of the feathery filaments that line their gills. The epithelium tissue then facilitates absorption into blood vessels in the body and supplies them with nearly all they need to stay alive for as long as necessary, unless they are unable to move enough water past these gill structures, which would not provide a sufficient surface area or flow velocity required due to decreased dissolved oxygen content versus air at sea level. In such cases, fish will suffocate just like humans do if deprived of adequate levels of an airflow across lung alveoli. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to this channel and give us a thumbs up. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.